Welcome to XRP News Channel. Here's one huge mistake XRP holders must not make this bull run. Expert with XRP nearing a major breakout. Leading crypto commentators continue to warn investors not to repeat costly mistakes from past market cycles. This week, the price of XRP briefly crossed $3 after 5 months of trading below that level. This price action followed a wave of bullish developments, including the launch of XRP futures ETFs, the conclusion of Ripple's lawsuit with the US. Please don't forget to subscribe to receive the next crypto news. Also, if you haven't bought yet XRP Ripple coin, you can buy all Ripple with a credit or debit card by clicking the link in the description section. SEC and growing institutional interest in crypto. At press time, the XRP has dipped slightly, hovering at $2.92. However, market watchers emphasize that the price explosion is only just beginning. In a recent episode of the Good Morning Crypto podcast, host Abdullah Nassif delivered a strong message to XRP investors. He warned that this is just the beginning for long-term holders. He pointed to increasing support from Wall Street and projected inflows of trillions of dollars through tokenization and stablecoins as major catalysts for XRP's next leg up. Don't sell too early, says crypto educator. One guest on the show stressed that the worst mistake XRP holders can make this bull run is selling too early. Instead, he encouraged holders to leverage and collateralize their holdings. Additionally, he urged holders to store XRP in cold wallets and even place it in private trusts to prepare for the coming financial shift. He explained that selling XRP during a price spike only puts it back in the hands of institutional players, who will scoop it up and control the network. If you hold it and play the game like we do, you have a chance at freeing people around the world from the debt slavery system. I can promise you that, he said. Veteran investor recalls $52 million mistake in parallel. Co-host Johnny Crypto shared a sobering personal story. In 1997, he sold a large amount of Amazon stock too early, a mistake that cost him $52 million in potential gains. This time, however, Johnny is taking a different approach. While he plans to take some profits, he intends to hold on to a core amount of XRP that he has no intention of selling. He's also considering options like borrowing against it or placing it in a trust. Essentially, these analysts stressed that investors should not exit the XRP market completely even if XRP reaches double digits. Partial profit taking is okay, they noted. But long-term positioning is where real wealth is built. XRP ETFs, tokenization, and the $23 trillion catalyst. The hosts also highlighted several macro trends supporting XRP's future growth, including the potential approval of 10+ XRP ETFs by October 18, a projected surge in the stablecoin market from $200 billion to $3.7 trillion. Citibank's forecast that tokenized real-world assets will exceed $19 trillion by 2030. Combined, these represent over $23 trillion in capital that could flow into digital assets like XRP, ABS noted. Lawsuit resolution incoming also. Speculation is mounting that the SEC may drop its appeal in the Ripple lawsuit following a closed-door meeting scheduled for July 17. Ripple has already announced its intention to end the appeal and move forward. Commentators believe an official settlement notification from the SEC would ignite the next major rally for XRP. Final word, you're at the right place at the right time. The host noted that a technical breakout is likely once XRP begins to close above $3.25 on the daily charts. He believes $10 targets are on the table for 2025. Accordingly, he urged new investors not to underestimate the opportunity before them as the market heats up and FOMO builds. Anybody who's here or who just got into the XRP project, you've come in at the most opportunistic time in the past decade, Abs said. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See the next crypto news. Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice. Financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please, consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.